Very good morning, dear student. Now, your running chapter here going on. Uh, Coordinate geometry, exercise 7.4 NCERT 7.3 हमने इसको हटा दिया है। क्योंकि हमारे जो बोर्ड से जो सिलेबस है उसमें एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल इन कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री उसको सिलेबस से हटा दिया गया, 30% लेस कर दिया गया। तो जो 7.3 जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हैं वो रिलेटेड किससे हैं? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल से हैं। तो उन्हें बोर्ड ने हटा दिया है, जो अब इस बार बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम में नहीं आने वाले हैं। और अब हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं आपसे, वी डिस्कस हियर एक्सरसाइज 7.4 ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चंस में हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एंड 6, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 और 6 को हम यहाँ से अपने सिलेबस इस चैप्टर से भी हटा रहे हैं, ठीक है, क्योंकि इसमें भी जो क्वेश्चन है वो रिलेटेड टू द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल, सो दिस वन आल्सो रिमूव दैट। क्लियर? नाउ वी डिस्कस हियर द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन of exercise 7.4 optional exercise. So here is the first question. First question here given that determine the ratio in which a line 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 divides the line segment joining the points A. Their coordinates also given 2, -2 and B 3, 7. Clear? Now here word say about the ratio in which the line segment -3 divides the line segment. So first we take here the line segment. This is the line segment. Their coordinates A and B. So line segments A and B, and their coordinates here 2, -2, and B's coordinates here given 3, 7. Clear? And what say determine the ratio in which the line segment, अब यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है? A line segment, एक line segment है, this one is a line segment 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. This line is clear? Determine the ratio in which the line divides the line segment. ये line क्या कर रही है? Divide कर रही है। तो so this one is the point. Take here, this one is the point here. This point is P, and their coordinates are given here. What coordinates given here? x1, x and x1, y1. Their coordinates here given x1 and y1. Clear? Now see the solution of this here, and this line segment divided in we get the ratio k ratio 1. This one is a divided ratio k ratio 1. Look that here. What's the solution of this here? Clear? So let the line right now here, let the line 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Clear? Divides AB at point in the ratio k ratio 1, in the ratio k ratio 1 at point P, and their coordinates here is given that x1, y1. Their coordinates is given that x1, y1. Clear? This one is clear. So first we find the coordinates of the P. First we here find the coordinates of the, determine the ratio in which divides the line segment and points A and B. So first we find the coordinates of P. So use here the which formula? Section formula. Now here the coordinates of the P. So the coordinates of the P of P. Clear? Coordinates of the point P. Clear? Of the point P. Now here what we get here? x1 y1 equal to what's it here? m1 m2 x1 x2 y1 y2 formula use here the. So let here is k into x2, here is 3 plus m1 here is 1 into x1 2, and there's sum m1 plus m2. So here is k plus 1. This one is clear. For the y के लिए हम क्या लेते हैं? m1 here is the key into y2 is 7 plus m1 1 into y2 minus 2 upon k plus 1. K plus 1. This one is clear. Any doubt? Now look here. Now look here. What we find here? x1 y1 is equal to this k into 3, so 3k plus 2 by k plus 1, and second thing here 7 into k, so we get here 7k plus minus 2 upon k plus 1. This one is clear. Now find the x1 and y1. Look here that x1 y1 here. So x1 here is given that x1 is equal to 3k plus 2 by k plus 1. This one is clear. And for y1 is here 7k minus 2 k plus 1. Clear? This one is the x and this one is a y. Both are fine here. Clear? Point P. अब यहाँ भी क्या कर रहा है? Point P lies on the, किस पे lies कर रहा है? Point P lies on the line 2x plus y minus 4. तो P भी क्या है? 2x plus y minus 4 पे ही lies कर रहा है. ठीक है? तो now here, right here, point P lies on, point P is lies on the line here is line 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Point P also lies on the this 2x plus y minus 4. Clear? So equation of the line, so right here, look that here, equation of the line becomes yeah, Right here 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. Clear? So this one is right here x. So x here is, this portion is x, this portion here is x, this portion shows here the x. So put here the value of x. So what we get here, 2 into 3k plus 2 by k plus 1. This one, this is the value of x. Now plus y's values here. This one is the y value. Y value put here. Y is here 7k minus 2 k plus 1. Clear? And here is a minus 4 is equal to 0. Clear? यहाँ पे हमारा ये क्वेश्चन बन गया. Now look here, what we write this one here. Here is 2 multiplied by 2. This one is get here 6k plus 4. 6k plus 4 by k plus 1. And plus here 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1 and minus 4 is equal to 0. Clear? Then what we get here? Here is a LCM. LCM में क्या मिलेगा? We get here the LCM here. तो इन सब का LCM हमें मिलेगा. LCM here is k plus 1. When divided k plus 1 into k plus 1, तो we get 1. And 1 से जब हम 6k plus 4 को multiply कर रहे हैं, तो हमें क्या मिल रहा है? 6k plus 4. This one is clear. And now here is given the sign here positive, to put here the positive sign. This one. And again divided k plus 1, so we get here 1. And 1 divided in 7k, so we get here 7k minus 2. This one is clear. And once divided k plus 1, so we get here k plus 1. And k plus 1 is multiplied in 4. K plus 1 is equal to 0. This portion is clear. Now look here. Now look here. So what we get here? This one is open now, and k is multiplied 0. So we get here is a 0. So this one is right here. Open the bracket. K plus 4. And this one is a 7k minus 2 minus 4k plus minus 4 is equal to 0. Clear? Look that here. 6k plus 7k minus 4k. So these portion here is a positive. 6k and 7k. So 6k plus 7k is a 13k, a 13k minus 4k. So first we write here 13k minus 4k. So 13 minus 4, what we get here? 9k. Clear? So 9k here. And now here look that the constant terms minus 4, minus 2 and plus 4. So minus 4 plus 4, this portion is cancelled here. So what we get here? Only here minus 2. So we get here is a minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 is equal to 0. So what we get here? 9k is equal to 2. This one is goes that side. तो change in the sign. माइनस है तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. तो now k is equal to 2 by 9. K's value we find here 2 by 9. So the line, so right here, so the line 2x, so the line 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 divides the line segment AB divides the line segment AB in the ratio which ratio here? 9:1, or this one is right here, 2:9. Clear? This one is your first question solution here. Now see the second question of this exercise. Dear student, question number second is also you have to prove the collinear. This one is also related the area of the triangle. So here we also use here this one. Question is also pass out here. Clear? So we हम हटा देते हैं उस क्वेश्चन को भी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को, क्योंकि कोलिनियर प्रूव करने के लिए हमें एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी और यहाँ पे एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल्स को हटा दिया गया है. ठीक है, तो इस क्वेश्चन को हम यहाँ पे हटा रहे हैं. ठीक, अब आपको क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 पे हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. नाउ हियर गिवन दैट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 हियर गिवन, फाइंड द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल, find the center of a circle passing through the points 6, -6, 3, -7 and 3, 3. So look here the solution of this question. It's a question here. Solution of this question. Solution here. So first we find a circle of find the center of a circle who's passing the points. So first we take here the circle. Here is the circle. This one is the circle and passing through 3 points A, B, C. So their points let here. Here is E, B and C points. ठीक है, यहाँ पे क्या कहना है? Find the center of circle passing through 3 points. Passing through the 3 points, this one and this one, passing the three points, and this point is shows here. This one is a O origin or at the center. Clear? O here. Clear? And their coordinates also given here. Coordinates are given here. 6, -6. B is here. Coordinates E, -7 and C coordinates here given 3, 3. Clear? These points are given here. Now what we get here? Let us see here the solution. Find this one is the center. Find the center. We find here the center. So what we get here? Let O के coordinates को मान लेते हैं. O's coordinates here X and Y. Yeah. Let the O's coordinates here X and Y. So now right here let O, here is its coordinates X, Y. Clear? Be the center of the circle. Be the center of a circle. Be the center of the circle. Clear? Be the center of the circle. Clear? And passing through the points. Passing through the points. Passing through the points. Points E, 6, -6, D. D here 3, -7 and C here 3, 3. Passing through these 3 points. Clear? And OA, OB, OC are the radius of the circle. अगर इसे हम देख लें, ये क्या है, दीज आर द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल, क्लियर। तो ओ ए, ओ बी and OC are the radius of the circle, radius of the circle, radius of the circle, clear। ये सभी क्या है, radius of the circle, and both are the radius of circle, so this one is right here, OA is equal to OB is equal to OC। किसी भी रेडियस के जो किसी भी सर्कल के जो रेडियस होंगे वो क्या होंगे, all radius are equal, clear। So taking O, first we here taking OA is equal to OB, clear। Now look here, right here, first we show here taking here OA is equal to OA is equal to OB, clear। तो OA is equal to OB, it means find the, here the use the distance formula। यहाँ पे हम कौन सा फार्मूला यूज करेंगे, डिस्टेंस फार्मूला। तो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड OA एंड OB। तो डिस्टेंस फार्मूला क्या कहता है, डिफरेंस ऑफ एब्सिस स्क्वायर प्लस डिफरेंस ऑफ ऑर्डिनेट्स स्क्वायर। तो सो राइट हियर अंडर रूट डिस्टेंस फार्मूला यूज हियर। तो अंडर रूट दिस वन इज x2 minus x1, x2 minus x1। तो x2 minus this one is x1 and this one is x2। So x2 here is given that x minus x1, here is 6 whole square plus y2 minus y1। तो y2 here is given y, clear, and y1 here is given minus 6। so this one is right, clear, is equal to, now OB we here find, x2 here x1, x2 here x, and y1 here x1 here is 3 whole square plus y2 here is given y, and y1 here is given that minus 7 whole square, this one। now this one is right, what we get here, look here, this one x minus 6 whole square, minus into minus multiplication plus, so this one is right, y plus 6 whole square is equal to here x minus 3 whole square plus y minus into minus multiplication plus y plus 7 whole square, this one। एंड स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, अगर हम इसे क्या कर दें, स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, इसको हम कर दें, यहाँ पे रूट्स हमें हटाना पड़ेगा, तो रूट्स हटाने के लिए स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स, ठीक है। जैसे हम स्क्वायर करते हैं, जब हम स्क्वायर करेंगे तो दिस स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, लुक हियर, दिस वन हियर x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square, total of the whole square, clear। and similar this portion also here, x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 total of whole square, clear। when we square the roots also cancel here, so what we get here, x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 7 whole square. Clear? This one is clear? Now what we get here, this one is a breakdown in a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Use here the identity a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So a plus b whole square, we already know that a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square, we use here a square plus b square minus 2ab. क्लियर? ये आइडेंटिटीज हम यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे. क्लियर? और आइडेंटिटी को यूज करते हुए इसे हम क्या कर देंगे, ब्रेक कर देंगे. क्लियर? जब इसको हम तोड़ेंगे, ब्रेक करेंगे, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? वी गेट हियर, नाउ वी ब्रेक एंड व्हाट फाइंड हियर. लुक हियर, this one is x square 636 minus 2ab minus 2 12x. This one a minus b whole square. Yeah, so this one, and what here is plus this portion, and this portion is y square plus 36 plus 12y. Clear? x y square plus 6 का whole square 36 plus 2ab, 2 6 into 2 12 ab. Clear? Now similarly here, what we get here, x square plus 9 minus 6x, this one, and plus here y plus 7 whole square, we get here y square plus 49 plus what we get here 2ab, 2 into 7 40 y. Clear? Now look here, what we get, now open the brackets. So let here x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square plus 36 plus 12y is equal to, look that portion, x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 49 plus 14y. Clear? Now look here, equal side, x square y square plus y square, sign are both, so equation are this one is equal, so these portion are now is direct here. ये portion y square, this one is a cancel now. Clear? तो what we get now, अब हमें क्या मिलता है, और यहाँ पे हम देख लें हमें क्या मिल रहा है, constant terms. तो constant plus 36, so this one, and is 12y minus 12x. So right here 36 plus 36, so we get here 72 minus 12x plus 12y. These portion only remaining here. Clear? And now that side of here equal to what we get here, plus 49 plus 9. So 9 plus 49 we get here 58. 58 is here the constant terms. Look here, this one. Clear? 49 plus 9 we get here 58. Now minus 6x plus 14y. So minus 6x plus 14y. Clear? So this one is a find here. Now look here, the take is as a constant terms one side and variable terms one side here. So what we get here, look that here, what we get, minus 12x plus 12y, and here is a minus plus 14 goes that side, we get here minus 14y, and plus minus 6x goes that here, we get here the 6x, and 58, and this one is a plus 72 goes that side, we get here minus 72. Clear? Now what we get here, plus 6 and minus 6, minus 12x plus 6x, so we get here minus 6x, and here 12 plus 12y minus 14y, so minus 12 greater, so sign here is a minus 2y, and what we get here, here is a minus, sign is a greater, and this is minus them, 12 minus 8, 4, and here is 6 minus 5, we get here 14. Clear? If we take here the, this one is equation here, we find here, तो जो हमें मिल रहा है यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें, ठीक, तो 6x, this one is divided by 2, so we get here minus 3x minus y minus 7, and take here the minus sign in outer, so we get here 3x plus y is equal to minus 7, so this portion is cancelled here, so what we get here, हमें क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ पे, 3x plus y is equal to 7, 3x plus y is equal to 7. Clear? On dividing side of 2, divide 7 2 कर दिया, तो हमें क्या मिला, 3x plus y is equal to 7. Clear? So, and this one is the first one here, take here, this one is the first equation. Now take another here, look that here, O is equal to OC. Let here again take, this one is a rough here, so we look here, next portion we O is equal to OB, so O is equal to OC, so here is so that O is equal to OC, O is equal to OC, O is equal to OC. Similarly we take here same question of this one here, so find the use here the distance formula similar to first step here, so similar formula, use here the distance formula, under root OA, so O is a similar, so what we get here, x minus look here the x minus 6 whole square, x minus 6 whole square, and plus here what we get here, y plus 6 whole square. So this one is a find in first equations, this one, and now equal to OC here, here is a, this one is a x2 and this one is a x1, so what we get here, x minus 3 whole square plus y2 here y, and y1 here is given minus 3 whole square. This one is clear? This point is clear? Have any doubt? No. Squaring both sides, ठीक, अब यहाँ पे रूट हटाना है तो हमें क्या करना है, स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड, so this one is squaring both side, x minus 6 square plus y plus 6 whole square is total of whole square equal to here under root x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, all of whole square. Both sides be squaring of whole square. So what we get here? What we get here? What we get here? So here is a square is cancelled now. So x plus y plus 6 whole square equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. We already find the square of this one here. This one is a find here, a plus b and a minus b whole square. Similar, x square plus 36 minus 12x, clear? And this portion is y square plus 36 plus 12 plus 12y. This portion is clear and equal to here. This one is take here x square plus 9 minus 6x, 2 into 3 6 ab, clear? Now plus here y square plus 9 minus 6y, clear? And now look here, these points, x square, here x square plus y square, here is plus y square, this portion is cancelled, clear? And now look here is similar, 36 plus 36 we get here 72 and minus 12x plus 12y is equal to here we get here 9 plus 9 18 and minus 6x minus 6y, where minus 6x minus 6y. Then look here, so what is the remaining portion here? Constant terms one side and non-constant side one side here. So let here minus 12x plus 12y, and these here minus 6x goes that side, change in the sign, 6x and minus 6y is plus 6y is equal to here plus 18 and 72, here is positive, both that side we get here minus 72, where now look here minus 12x plus 6x, so we get here minus 6x, where plus 12y plus 6y we get here plus 18y, clear? Is equal to, we get here, let here is a minus, and 12 minus 8 we get here is the 4, and 6 minus 1 we get here is the 54, clear? We get here is a 54. So now on dividing on both sides, minus 6 को अगर इससे हम डिवाइड कर दें, डिवाइडेड बाई माइनस 6, जब हम माइनस 6 से इसे डिवाइड कर देंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? दिस वन इज गोज इज द पॉजिटिव x and this one is give here minus 6, so we get here minus 6 3 18 3y, and this one is a minus 6 table in 54, so what we get? 9 times we get here is the 9, okay, so we get here is a 9, clear? 9 6 are 54, so here it is get 9, clear? This one is equation second. This one is the equation second. What we get here? Origin origin of now look here, next step here, first we write here the equation first, here is what we find the equation first here we get here what we find here, it's a 3x plus y is equal to 7. 3x plus y is equal to 7. This one is equation first. Clear? Now here, now multiplying equation first. Let here the multiplying equation first. Equation first by 3 and adding with equation second, so first we multiply the equation first को हम multiply कर रहे हैं कैसे, 3 से, तो here is we get here equation first, so 3 into x into 3 we get here 9x plus 3y and 7 into 3 we get here 21, and here is given that equation second x minus 3y is equal to 9. When we added this portion is cancelled, 9 plus x we get here 10x, and here is given that 9 plus 21 we get here is the 30, so we get here x is equal to 30 upon 10, we get here 3, x is equal to 3, we get here x is equal to 3, and putting x is equal to 3 in equation first. Now here put the value of x in equation first. अगर इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में हम x की वैल्यू 3 पुट अप कर दें तो 3 into 3 plus y is equal to 7, 9 plus y is equal to 7, तो y is equal to 7 minus 9, so y is equal to we get here minus 2. Y is equal to get here is a minus 2. So the coordinates of center O, the coordinates of center O, क्या coordinates हो गए, x is 3 and y here is given minus 2, 3 and minus 2. Clear? This one is your answer. Clear? If face any problem, please tell me. Now we discuss the next question of this exercise. Now here the question number 4, the optional question. This one is the question number 3rd and 4th. So very good for the very important question for the view of the board examination. Now here this 4th question here, the two opposite vertices of the square. Clear? And here is given that -1 and 2 and 3 2, find the coordinates of other two vertices. यहाँ पे क्या दे रहा है कि two opposite vertices of the square दे रहे हैं. So first we draw here the figure of the square. Clear? First we draw here the figure of the square. Here, look that here, just like a square. Here, figure of the square is given that two vertices, opposite vertices. Let here the name of this A, B, C and D. Clear? A, B, C, D, and here is given that two opposite vertices, vertex of the square of opposite vertex, two opposite vertices. So here is given that let here is a 1. 1 is here, there is coordinates 1 and 2, and their opposite here C. So C here is C's coordinates here is given 3, 2. Clear? C is here, find a 3, 2. Clear? And this one, you know that all angles of a square is 90 degree. Clear? So let here the B's coordinates x and y. B के हम coordinates को क्या मान लेते हैं? x, y मान लेते हैं. So look at the solution of this question here. Solution here. Let the solution here. So let A, B, C the square. Let here. Let A, B, C, D is a square. ठीक है? A, B, C, D square है, and whose two vertices? And whose two vertices A and two opposite vertices, A and C. Two opposite vertices are A and C. Let the coordinates of B. हमने क्या मान लिया? Let the coordinates of the B. So let the coordinates of B. The B's coordinates here x and y. B की coordinates हमारे क्या होंगे? x and y. हमने इसको ले लिया. क्लियर? तो ए बी सी डी स्क्वायर, ए बी सी डी अगर स्क्वायर है तो उसके सभी साइड्स क्या होंगे? ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. तो सो हियर ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी सी. ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी सी. ए बी सी डी इज अ square. All sides are equal. So all sides are equal. सभी साइड्स क्या होंगी? इक्वल होंगी. तो हम इसको ये दिखा सकते हैं कि ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी सी. ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी सी होगा. These are the side. ए बी इज इक्वल टू बी सी. Clear? Now first we find so AB is equal to BC. Clear? So this one is the first we prove here. AB is equal to AC. Clear? So use here the which formula here? Distance formula. Use here the distance formula. Look here. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. So look here the distance formula of this one is, use here distance formula. Distance formula. You know that differences of the square of abscissa plus differences of square of ordinates. Okay. So now here we get given here under root. First one is A and B. So this one is a x is x2. So x2 here is x and minus x1. So minus x1 into minus 1. So this one here is right here minus 1 whole square. Clear? Then y2 here is given that y. And y1 here is given that minus 2 whole square. Yeah. This one is a AB, distance of AB. Now equal to distance of BC. तो हम निकालेंगे equal to distance of BC. x2 here is x and x1 here is given 3, so minus 3 whole square plus y2 here is given y, and y1 here is given that -2 whole square. This one, have any doubt? I think this one is very clear. Now, what we get here? This one is right here, x plus 1 whole square y minus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Squaring both sides of the both side. When we square the both side of this equation, so what we get here? Look that similar in previous question. This one, x plus 1 whole square y minus 2 whole square is the total of whole square. Squaring both sides, we are already here, right here, and x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is total of whole square. जब हम both side square कर देते हैं, roots are cancel now. So what we get here? X plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Clear? So these one is our break in a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square in the previous question. So now here x square plus 1 plus 2x. Clear? A plus b whole square. Now here plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. Y minus 2. Now here look that x square plus 9 minus 6x minus 6x, and this one here plus y square plus 4 minus 4y. And now look that here x square here is x square in equal y square and y square. So these portion is cancelled, क्योंकि ये इक्वल में इन्हें हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. अब देखिए रिमेनिंग पोर्शन क्या है. Here is 2x minus 4y, 2x minus 4y, and constant term plus 4 plus 1. We get here is the 5 equal to, this side is equal minus 6 minus 4y, minus 6x minus 4y, and constant terms plus 9 and plus 4. We get here plus 13. This one is clear. Now look here. यहाँ पे अब हम फिर से देखें तो यहाँ पे हम कांस्टेंट वेरिएबल्स को वन साइड कर दें, कांस्टेंट थिंग्स को वन साइड. तो व्हाट वी गेट हियर 2x minus 4y, and here is minus 6. From that side we get here plus 6 plus 4y equal to 13. Here constant and plus 5 goes that side, is get here minus. Clear? Now look here, the 2x plus 6x. So get here is a 8x and plus minus 4y and plus 4y. This portion also cancel here. Clear? And 13 minus 5, what we get here 8. So x is equal to 8 by 8. So what we get here is 1. Clear? हमें क्या मिल गया? X is equal to, we get here 1. Clear? And now here find the y also here. Find the y also here. So what we get here? Put here in equation. We get here the equation. We get here. Now look here. Find the y. Find here is the y here in a triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC. तो B is equal to 90 डिग्री. अगर इसको हम देखें in a triangle ABC, sorry, ABC, in a triangle ABC, look at a triangle ABC. So angle B is equal to here 90 degree, and this one is a hypotenuse. This one is a hypotenuse. So what we write here? So we say that ABC, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. So use here the Pythagoras theorem. We use here the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem क्या कहता है? Hypotenuse. This one is hypotenuse पे बना हुआ कोई भी स्क्वायर होगा. Other two side पे बने हैं स्क्वायर के सम की इक्वल. तो look that here the square of AC square is equal to sum of other two side square AB square plus BC square. दोनों की इक्वल होगा. And now here is given that AC square, so distance between A and C. Distance between A and C. So what we get here? Here is x2 minus x1. So this one is a 3 plus 1 whole square. So AC square, this one is a right 3 plus 1 whole square plus y2. Y2 here is given that y2 here is given 2 and y1 here is given that minus 2. So this one is given right here 2 minus 2 whole square. तो AC स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर लग गया इसलिए रूट पहले से ही हट गया. फिर हमें क्या लिखना है? AB स्क्वायर. AB स्क्वायर तो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन AB. तो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन AB we write already here. तो x plus 1 whole square, this one x plus 1 whole square, and B seen in the previous what we get here. Look here, y2 here and y1. This one is the y minus 2. Y minus 2 whole square. So this one is a AB square. Now find BC square. So now find here the BC. So this one is a x2 and this one is a x1. Again here this one is x2 x minus 3 whole square plus y2 here is 2 and y1 here is minus 2 whole square. Clear? So this one is a find y minus 2 whole square. Both sides this one. Now look that here. What we get AC here. So first we find here AC 4 whole square plus 0 whole square, and this one is a breakdown of this one. So what we get here? अगर इसे हम ब्रेक करते हैं, तोड़ते हैं, तो हमें क्या मिलता है? Look here, x square plus 1 plus 2x a plus b whole square, and this one also right here y square plus 4 minus 4y for this, and here plus x square plus 9 minus 6x for x minus 3 whole square, this one, and plus y square plus 4 minus 4y for this. Clear? Now look that here is x square plus x square, y square plus y square. So we get here, what we get here, 2x square and 2y square. 2x square plus 2y square. Clear? Now look here, 2x. Here is 2x. Here is 6x. Clear? So 6 minus 6x plus 2x. So what we get here? Minus 4x. Clear? And minus 4y. Minus 4y. We get here minus 8y. Clear? And now see the constant terms. 1, 4, 5, 9, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. So all of the positive. All of the positive. So this one here is plus 14. 14, 4, 18. 14 plus 4, we get here 18. That's 18. Clear? Now here, look that. अब हमें क्या मिल रहा है? Now here, 4 का square, we get here the 16. So 16 is equal to 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 18. Clear? And now we find the value of y. So what to do? X values here given. X की value हमें दे रहा है. Clear? अगर हम इसे चाहें तो और इजी कर सकते हैं. This constant terms both is here lit here. This one is the right. 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 18, and this one is plus 16. Both that side is minus 16 is equal to 0. So then what find here? 2x square plus 2y square minus 4x minus 8y, and here is the plus 2 is equal to 0. Clear? This one is a find, and now is the division of these numbers are divided by 2. अगर इसे हम 2 से डिवाइड कर दें, डिवाइडेड बाई 2. जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे थोड़ा समय और इजी हो जाएगा. तो व्हाट वी गेट हियर व्हेन डिवाइड बाई 2, तो x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 4y प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. जब हम 2 से इसको डिवाइड कर रहे हैं इक्वेशन को, हमें क्या मिल रहा है? x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर माइनस 2x minus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now look here. Clear? Put the value of x in this equation. Put the value of x. So here we put the value of x. Put the value of x is equal to 1 in this equation. In this equation. Clear? अब हम जब x की वैल्यू पुट अप कर दें 1, तो व्हाट वी गेट हियर? 1 स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू 1 माइनस 4y प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो 1 स्क्वायर वी गेट 1 प्लस y स्क्वायर माइनस 2 माइनस 4y प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. अब देखिए यहाँ पे, अब हमें यहाँ पे क्या मिल रहा है? +1 +1 +2 एंड -2. So these portion, these two portion, this and this cancel. The only remaining portion what we get here, y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Y square minus 4y is equal to 0. Now here is a common. हमें यहाँ पे common क्या मिल रहा है? Let here see that common here which is the y. तो y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y's values here, two values here. Y is equal to 0 and y minus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to here 4. Clear? So we get here is the value of y 0 or 4 both. So the coordinates of B are, here is right now. So the coordinates of B are now कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या हो जाएंगे? 1 0 और 1 4. 1 0 or 1 4. Clear? So the vertex D have the same coordinates of B. Clear? So vertex D has the same coordinates of same coordinates of B. There, same coordinates of B has the coordinates of two opposite vertex R. प्लीज यहीं पे और लिख दीजिए थोड़ा सा. Coordinates of D equal to coordinates of B. E और B की coordinates दोनों सेम होंगे. ठीक है, तो अपोजिट वर्टेक्सेस आर इक्वल, हेंस आप लिख दीजिए, हेंस here, hence the coordinates of the coordinates of the two opposite vertices of a square are 1 0 or 1 4. Clear? This one is your answer. Now we discuss the question number 5 and 6. Also here use the area of triangle. So this one also deduct here. Now see the question number here 7 of this exercise. Question number 7 is given here. Now here question number 7 here last question of this optional exercise. Now here given that let A coordinates 4 2, B's coordinate 6 4 and C's coordinate 1 4 be the vertex of the triangle ABC. कहने मतलब यहाँ पे एक triangle है, triangle ABC and their vertices are given here. First we look here the triangle ABC. Here is triangle A, B and C. Here is triangles A and B and coordinates are given here. Coordinates here is given 4 2, B's coordinate 6 5 and 6 C's coordinates here 1 4. Clear? their coordinates also given and vertices of A B C. अब आपसे फर्स्ट इसमें क्या, अभी आप देखो इसमें क्या कह रहा है कि द मीडियम फ्रॉम A meets B C at D. अगर हम इस पे मीडियन डाल रहे हैं किससे, A C किस पे मीडियन है, फ्रॉम B C, तो दिस वन इज द मीडियन, दिस वन इज द D. क्लियर. At D find the coordinates of the D. अब हमें किसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करनी है, D की कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करनी है, इसका x और y. D के में कोऑर्डिनेट्स x y फाइंड करने हैं. क्लियर. And find the coordinates of the point P on the AD such that AP ratio of PT is equal to 2:1. अब यहाँ पे भी हमें क्या करना है, फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ द पॉइंट P. क्लियर. तो ये दिस वन इज अ पॉइंट P and find the coordinates of P also here. So P is here and this one is divided in ratio 2:1. Clear? So now look that how to find that. Here look the solution here. Solution here is given. So what solution here is given? First we start here. Let the coordinates of D. मान लेते हैं let the coordinates of D. The coordinates of D x y. Let the coordinates of D here is the x y as AD is the median. As AD is the median. AD is the median. AD क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, median, and therefore D is the midpoint of BC. So therefore D is the midpoint of BC. अब जब D जो है मिड पॉइंट है तो D के हम कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड कर सकते हैं कैसे, अकॉर्डिंग टू द मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला. तो यूज हियर द मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला. तो सो द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ D here, coordinates of D here, use here the midpoint formula here, D here. So what we write here, x1 plus x2 by 2, so 6 plus 1 by 2, and y1 plus y2 5 plus 4 by 2. Clear? So this one is the coordinates of the D. We find here, what find here, 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. Here the coordinates of D is 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. This portion is complete. For the first portion here is complete. Answer here is the first one. D's coordinates 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. Now discuss here the second point of this one. Clear? So second point, how to find second portion. Look that here. Now here the second, by the section formula. यहाँ पे हम यूज करेंगे क्या, सेक्शन फार्मूला. क्लियर. अब P के हमें P के कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड करने हैं. अब D के इसके हमें मिल गए D के 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. Now they find all the coordinates of P. This one. So use here the section formula. In second, use here section formula. Use here the section formula. So you know that, ठीक. तो coordinates of P point, coordinates of point P is equal to, right here, use here the section formula. What we use here, everyone, M1 M2. This one is M1 M2. So look here, M1 इंटू क्या लिखते हैं x2, तो x2 here is given that 7/2 plus m2 here is a 1 into right here what we write y2 नहीं x1 4 y2 plus 1. This one is for x, and for y2 here 9/2 plus m2 here is 1, and here is this one is a 2/2 plus 1. This one is clear. Now what we get here, this portion is cancelled, this one is a cancel, and this one also cancel. So what we get here, हमें यहाँ पे क्या मिल रहा है 7 plus 4/3, 7 plus 4/3, and this one is 9 plus 2/3. So what we get here, the coordinates of P, so P is point here, x and y. So x here is what we get here 7 plus 4 11/3, and 9 plus 2 11/3. Clear? 11/3 and 11/3. X, P's coordinates here 11/3 and 11/3. This one is your second answer. Clear? Now student, your coordinate geometry chapter finish. Clear? We take some other questions, some additional question in your next class related to the coordinate geometry. Those are coming soon in board exam, or both are already coming जो बोर्ड एग्जाम में आ चुके हैं, उस क्वेश्चन को हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. क्लियर? ओके, बाय.